Welcome to another Proficy video. My name is Christian Vieira, and on this demo we will show how we applied some of the Proficy solutions into a biomass power generation customer that was looking for ways to improve the visibility of process data into the organization. Just as a brief idea about the application, it's basically a boiler system that uses sugarcane bagasse as the main fuel in order to generate electrical energy and also steam, where those energy products will be sold to other companies on the region and also to the electrical distribution company in São Paulo state. In the automation area, they have a redundant compact logic system and serving data to a redundant HMI called Ellipse. And this architecture allows the operators to control and monitor the complete boiler, and they also have a disconnected ERP. There is no MES, there is no historian, there is no logging, no much integration from plant floor to production or corporate system. The main pain points on this customer are very common on other industries as well, due to the lack of a flexible automation information system that makes the pillar for production management. By not having a way to log and analyze properly data, for example, they can't understand issues on the plant and improve the process. And other problems arise as well, as island of information, no much visibility on process data, lots of paper reports and paper logs, and no way to democratize the information across the organization. So we asked the customer the opportunity to present Proficy and show some benefits they would be able to achieve using our solution. We proposed a pilot to allow them evaluate and test drive the solution, and said to them about the Proficy 10 commandments. Single repository for plant data, total visibility of data, verticalization and integration, 100% web portal for them, better diagnosis and equipment, reduced paperwork and reduced paper logs, less downtime and more throughput on the production, plant monitoring anywhere in the world through the web browser, low TCO cost on solution, and best-in-breed technology. So, as the pillar for the pilot, and as one of the 10 Proficy commandments, we implemented a single repository for the biomass plant, and for that, we used Proficy Historian. By taking a look on the Historian Administrator window, we can use a very easy tool to quickly see all the Historian health, including all collectors, statistics for incoming data, number of connected users, alerts, messages, and everything into a very easy of use administration tool. On this particular case, just install the Historian collector to read boiler, utilities, and generator data from Compact Logics PLC using RS Links as the OPC server. Once we have all data captured into a Proficy Historian repository, we can now use those tags to apply compression, filter, collection intervals, create calculations and some KPIs from that data, and finally establish the pillar for any analysis and optimization on that plant. Back to the use case, we presented the 10 Proficy commandments, right? Most of those commandments are based on analyzing data, democratizing information, easily creating reports, KPIs, and visualizing information anywhere on the plant on a portal. So let's see how Proficy Portal can help on that area. Proficy Portal is a solution 100% web that allows connectivity to several different data sources, like real-time data from OPC, historical information from Historian solutions, and also information from other systems like maintenance, laboratory system, and ERP based on relational databases. That is a premium solution that allows users to develop their reports and build a truly industrial portal that allows users to focus on data and process instead of programming. Just drag and drop and you have your report done. On the use case that we are presenting here, instead of finding information in a bunch of paper records, the user and the customer can just open the browser window on their intranet and find their portal ready to serve data and democratize information easily. If you take a look on this report, for example, the customer now can easily take a look and know how much steam they are producing on the boiler and how much steam is being consumed for 2 companies nearby. before Portal, in order to analyze the same information, they will need to wait on the next day to analyze data that was being compiled from 3 sheets of paper into an Excel chart. So, manual information, sometimes typos on the info, and lots of work to extract their report. Now, they have the exact same information on a single web page, online, accessible anywhere on their network, and without relying on manual information or extra data compilation into Excel. The information is being presented on bar charts, but they can easily change to line charts if they want on the fly. They can also expand the same chart to a full view. They can copy information from Portal to Excel, for example. Although for a complete boiler efficiency calculation we need several parameters like thermodynamics data and etc., a very easy KPI that can indicate some sort of efficiency is to measure how much steam they are using to produce 1 megawatt of energy. And also, how much sugarcane bagasse they use as fuel, right, to produce 1 ton of steam. Again, 2 paper reports that were digitalized into the digital cockpit we built to them using Proficy Portal. On this report, for example, they are consolidating 6 paper reports into a single digital view that allows them to have real-time, historical and trending information on how much energy they are generating and exporting to each of their customers. Again, thanks to Proficy. They can also digitalize operator comments and operator information on issues or any kind of observation they want to take with the data. With Proficy, they can also see alarms, which enables them to focus on a maintenance action and also have audit trail information on what happened on the plant, real-time and historical information. Another important need in CTQ from the customer is, I want to be free. I want my data not only to sit on operator's display or paper reports. I want to be free to put KPIs on a LED TV, so all operators can share the commitment and drive better process. I want to be free to share data to all. I want to be free. So here's a summary of the benefits we provide to the customer on this pilot, and also a review on the 10 Proficy commandments. Thank you.